What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today is just going to be a real quick video on me installing something that I think is really small but really cool, adds a little bit of flair to, you know, these old trucks. So I bought a Z71 Grille badge, and what it's going to do is, I mean, you can put it kind of anywhere, like a universal mount. Like you can put it up there. I think I'm going to end up putting mine like here, something like that, kind of make it like almost like a factory location. And it's not real clear how to install them, like how everybody says, so I'm just going to show you real quick how to install it. So first off, it doesn't come with this threaded piece in there. This hole here is a different mounting point, and you can use either this one or this one, and these little dimples are threaded, so it'll come with this bar that you'll thread into that dimple, and it comes with another little nut that you'll screw down on there, lock it in place. And then after that's done, you got your backing plate that'll sit back behind the grill and lock it, keep it from spinning. Then you'll have another washer and a nut to tighten that to this. So it's pretty simple, but you know, if you don't have instructions, might be a little confused, and you know, it's just easier to kind of have somebody explain it. So the hardest part, really, I think, of this whole thing is going to be getting behind there without taking the grill off. You can take the grill off and it'll make it that much easier, but I don't want to do that. So thinking either coming from maybe under the truck to tighten that bolt, or maybe come up here and take off that top little valence piece that just has the clips. Should give me enough room to get my hand down in there and do what I need to do. So I'm actually going to see about that top valence part, see if I have enough room. So I'll get to checking that out. All right, guys, so actually taking the headlight off, which is just this little guy, comes out at the top. You just slide it out, pull the headlight off. It gives you plenty of room. Reach down there, get wherever you need to be. And same thing if you're installing on the other side. Check real quick, but I'm pretty sure it's the same. Yeah, you got all that room. Just take this one out and then get wherever you need to back there. And again, just this guy, if you've never taken these off, just pull that up, out, and this whole assembly comes out. No bolts, nothing, no fuss. So I'm gonna get to installing that, and I'll come back when it's installed. All right, guys, so there it is, installed. I like it a lot. It I don't know, it just adds that little bit of, you know, something to it. But that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys everything put back together right now. So all of it's back together, and again, very, very small, but I just feel like it adds a little bit more to the truck. So like I said, that was just a real quick video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, as always, leave them down below. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. I will leave a link to that badge in the description below. You can get all different colors. You can get the regular red Z71, or like in my case, I got white just because the truck's white. You can get black. You can get it all blacked out in red. You can get a whole bunch of different ones. So like I said, I'll leave that link in the description below so you guys can go check that out. Let me know what you guys think of it. I think it looks a whole lot better, but again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Go follow me on all my socials: Instagram, Twitter, my Facebook page. I have a channel email if you need to contact me for any reason. All that will be down in the description below. I actually ended up off camera taking it from, I think about here, it was more in the middle, off to more of the side and down a little bit. I think that just kind of wraps it together a little bit better, but I did that off camera, so that's changed. And let me know in the comments if you guys would have rather it have been, you know, where it was before, or if you like it kind of better down off to the side, or maybe up here, whatever. But just figured I'd let you guys know that I did move it, and I just think it looks better there. So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.